Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. It really does matter what quality watercolor paper I use. The better quality, the better the results. And I've really loved the results I get from this Spectrum Noir premium watercolor paper. The texture gives me so much depth in the color, and it really works well for the wet on wet technique, as well as layering colors. The thickness of the paper really stands out and it gives me very professional results. I also like the 9 by 12 size. I can create large paintings or I can cut it down for smaller ones if I want to put them on a card front. The quality and the results of this Spectrum Noir watercolor paper has been exceptional for me in my craft room. And that's my point of view.